Good afternoon class. This is your last topic of 4th chapter, investment multiplier and its mechanism. First is investment multiplier. So according to Nice, when some autonomous investment is made in the economy, income increases. But increase in income is not exactly the same as increase in investment. Rather, it is many times more than the increased investment. The number of times it increases, that is your multiplier. Keynesian concept of multiplier establishes a relationship between additional investment and additional income. This is why it is called investment multiplier. For example, increase in investment is 10 crores and increase in income is 60 crores, right? So we have increase in income. Increase in income means del income. So we have del income 60, right? And increase in investment, that is your del investment, del I. It is given 10. So to find out investment multiplier, we will divide investment income with by del investment, del income by del investment. So we have 60 del income and 10 del investment. 10 into 6 is 60. So here investment multiplier is 6 times. Clear? Now, according to Nice, investment multiplier tells us that when there is an increment of aggregate investment, income will increase by an amount which is k times the increment of investment, and here k is investment multiplier. We denoted capital K for investment multiplier. So it is the ratio. What is investment multiplier? It is the ratio of change in income to change in investment. K is equals to del income upon del investment, where K is multiplier, Y is change in income, and del I is change in investment. Take another example. Investment multiplier can be illustrated with an example. If the government makes an investment of rupees 20 crore, so here del investment is 20, right? And as a result, additional income of rupees 100 crores. So here del income is equals to 100. So find out the investment multiplier. So K will be del income upon investment. Del income is 100, whereas del investment is 20, right? So we will divide and then we will get 5. So investment multiplier will be 5 times. So now see the relationship between multiplier, investment multiplier, and marginal propensity to consume. So what is the relationship between them? See this. We know that K is equals to del income upon investment, and we have already learned in our previous classes that income is equals to consumption and investment. Mark this as equation 1, mark this as an equation 1, this as 2, and we also know that in marginal propensity to save, del income is equals to del consumption plus del investment. Now to find out del investment, we can write it as del investment is equals to del income minus del consumption. Put this equation as 3. Now putting the values of this, del income is equals to del investment is equals to del income minus del consumption. Put this value in equation first, and we will get that del income is equals to, so instead of del investment we will write del income minus del consumptions as mentioned in equation 3, right? Now divide the whole equation, the right hand side equation, by del income, and you will get del income upon del income minus consumption upon del income. So we can write it as like this. How? See here, the equation was like this, del income upon consumption. So we have divided the del y with del y, and del y upon del y, this del y upon del y minus del consumption upon del income. ठीक है, तो now divide the sum, this will be cut 1, similar here 1, and the equation will be investment multiplier is equals to 1 upon 1 minus del C upon del Y, and we know that del MPC is equals to del consumption upon del investment. So we can write 1 upon 1 minus MPC instead of del C upon del income. Why? Because MPC is equals to del consumption upon del income. Or we can also write it as 1 upon MPS. Why? Because MPS is equals to 1 minus MPC. So we can write MPS instead of 1 minus MPC because they both are equal. So through this equation we can conclude that relationship between investment multiplier and MPC is that investment multiplier is equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, whereas the relationship between investment multiplier and MPS, marginal propensity to save, is K is equals to 1 upon MPS. So we can also say that MPC and multiplier are directly related with MPS and multiplier. We can say that MPC and multiplier are directly related, while MPS and multiplier are inversely related. So let's see. So that's all for today. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you, class.